Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the CapCut app on your Mac device. In this case I'm using a MacBook, but it should be the same on any device. So what you want to do is go to your browser and go to Google and type in CapCut. From there, go to the first organic link, www.capcut.com, go to here, and from there, when you actually want to download the CapCut app to your desktop, it's right up here. Click that, and it's going to start downloading in Google Chrome is the browser that I'm using. From there, now that CapCut has downloaded, you can press this button. It's going to show in Finder, and from there, you want to double tap on this, and the CapCut downloader, double tap on that, and it's going to run the CapCut downloader. You want to open this. Just give it a little second. So now you can see, guys, the CapCut installer is actually going to download all of the files and install on your device. It might take a little while, so I will come back once this has fully downloaded. So guys, we can now see that the installer has worked correctly and it's downloaded all of the files. Again, just give it time to let everything run correctly and it should open up the CapCut app on your Mac very, very soon. So guys, this is what the CapCut app should look like once it's installed on your desktop. From there, what you can do is go to the sign in button on the left hand side. You can sign in using TikTok, QR code, Apple, Facebook, Google. And yes, thanks very much for watching this video. If it has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thanks.